Good morning. Today is Monday, August 5th, and we have two important events happening this week. The first one is today from noon until 1:30. We're having a Business Connects with Government luncheon, the superintendent's panel with updates from government officials to follow. This will be happening at the Lighthouse Inn on Lake Michigan at 1515 Memorial Drive in Two Rivers. The cost is $10 per person for chamber members and SAIL members for lunch, and $25 per person for non-chamber and non-SAIL individuals. If you would like to register for this particular event, please call our office at 684-5575. The other event is happening on Wednesday, August 7th from 5 to 7 p.m. There will be a business after hours at Holy Family Memorial in the Heritage Garden. You should enter through the west entrance, and this is located at 2300 Western Avenue in Manitowoc. If you have any questions about either of these events, please visit our website at www.chambermanitowoccounty.org or call our office at 684-5575. Have a great week.